x and y. Here x is one matrix here, y is another matrix. Okay, find x and y matrices here. They given x plus y is equal to 7025, x minus y is equal to 3003. Okay, so these are two geometric equations here. So if I add here, what happens here? Plus y and minus y get cancels. Adding we get here. Okay, here y and y cancel. X plus x is 2x here. 2x is equal to, here add the corresponding elements here. 7 must be added with 3 here. 7 plus 3 becomes a 10. It is a 10 here. Okay, then 0 plus 0 becomes a 0. 2 plus 0 is a 2 here. And 5 plus 3 becomes a 8. So it is a 8. Okay, then take it to that side here. So x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into bracket. So 10, 0, 2, 8 here. Okay, therefore x is equal to, take this 1 upon 2 inside here, means multiply each element by 1 by 2 here. So therefore 10 into 1 upon 2 here, 2 1s are 2 5s are cancels here. So x is equal to 5. Then 0 into 1 upon 2 becomes a 0. So this is a 0 here. Then 1 upon 2 into 2 here, 2 into 2 cancels, remaining is 1 here. Then 1 upon 2 into 8 here. Again 2 1s are 2 4s are cancels here. Hence x is equal to the matrix of 5 0 1 4 here. Okay, here matrix x here. Okay. Then use this x either in the first equation or in the second equation here. Okay, I am taking a first equation here. From first equation, from first equation here. Okay, take x right hand side here. Y is equal to the matrix 7 0 2 5 minus of x here. Okay, take x right hand side here. X is this matrix here, so use here. So this is equal to 7 0 2 5 minus of x is this one here. So right here 5 0 1 4 here. Then subtracting these two matrices here. So y is equal to, okay, 7 minus 5 is a 2 here. Is a 2. 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 1. 5 minus 4 is a 1 here. Okay. So this is the required matrix here. So here it is just like a previous example, but you can't cancel directly here because here x coefficient is 2, here x coefficient is 3, here y coefficient is 3, here y coefficient is 2. Okay, here coefficients are different here. We can't cancel immediately. Therefore, make x coefficients equal and change the sign, you can cancel, or you can equate the y coefficients here. Okay, means make equal coefficients of y and change sign, then you can cancel the terms here. Okay, therefore if you want to cancel y term here, then multiply this 2 to this equation here. Multiply first equation by 2. Multiply this second equation by 3. Okay, multiply this first equation by 2 and this second equation by 3. Okay, so solving we get here 2 into 2 becomes 4. So 4x plus 3 into 2 becomes 6 here. 6 into y is equal to, okay, here multiply each element by this 2 here. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 3 2s are 6 here. It is a 6. 4 2s are 8. It is 8. 0 into 2 becomes 0. Okay. Then multiply this equation by 3 here. 3 3s are 9 here. So 9x plus. Then 2 3s are 6 here. 6y, that is equal to. Then 2 into 3 becomes 6 here. 2 into 3 again 6 minus of 6. Minus 1 into 3 is minus of 3 here. Then 5 3s are 15. So right here 15 here. Okay. Then change the sign here. Here minus and here also minus here. Okay, plus sign here, so write minus. Plus here, write minus. When here also plus, take here minus sign. Then you can cancel here. Plus 6y and minus 6y get cancels here. Then 4x minus 9x gives minus 5x here. The minus of 5x, that is equal to. Okay. Then subtracting these two matters here. 4 minus 6 here. Okay, minus 6. 4 minus 6 gives minus of 2 here. Okay. Then 6 minus of minus become plus here. 6 plus 6 becomes 12. It is 12 here. Again minus of minus becomes a plus here. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. It is 11 here. Then 0 minus 15 is a minus of 15 here. Okay, minus 15. Take this minus by right hand side here. Hence x is equal to 1 divided by minus of 5 into the matrix minus 2, 12, 11, minus of 15 here. Then multiply each element by this one here. Okay. Therefore this upon this here. Minus upon minus becomes a plus here. So it is a 2 upon 5. So this is equal to 2 divided by 5. Then this into 12 here. Minus 12 upon 5. It is a minus of 12 divided by 5. Then this into this here. Minus 11 upon 5. Minus 11 divided by 5. Then this upon this here. Minus upon minus become plus. 5 1s are 5 3s are cancels here. So remaining is 3. Therefore here the matrix X is equal to here. Okay. It is a required matrix X here. So you can use this matrix in this equation or in this equation also. I am taking this first equation here. From first equation. From first equation here. So 3 into y is equal to the matrix 2, 3, 4, 0 minus of 2x here. I am taking this 2x right hand side here, it becomes a minus of 2x here. Therefore this is equal to, so right here 2, 3, 4, 0 here minus 2 into x here. X is this matrix. So 2 divided by 5. 2 by 5 minus of 12 divided by 5 minus 11 divided by 5, then 3 here. Then it is a 3. Okay. Now take this 2 inside here. Means multiply this each element by here. Take 2 inside the bracket here. So therefore this is equal to the matrix 2, 3, 4, 0 minus of, take 2 inside this matrix here. 2 2s are 4 here. So 4 divided by 5. 2 into 12, 24 here. So minus of 24 divided by 5. 2 into 11, minus 11 upon 22 here. 22 divided by 5. Okay, then 2 3s are 6 here. So right here 6. Then this minus of this matrix here. So therefore this is equal to 2 minus 4 by 5. Minus of 4 divided by 5. 3 right here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. Plus 24 divided by 5. Then 4 minus into minus becomes a plus here. 22 by 5. 22 divided by 5. Then 0 minus 6 here. 0 minus of 6. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to 3 into y is equal to. Okay. Here are 2 minus 4 by 5 there. So look here. 2 minus of 4 divided by 5. Then 5 is the LCM here. 5 2s are 10. Minus of 4 here. 10 minus 4 is 6 here. So it is 6 divided by 5. So right here 6 divided by 5. Okay. Next here 3 plus 24 by 5. 3 plus 24 divided by 5. So 5 LCM. 5 is 15 here. 15 plus 24 here. 15 plus 24 here. 39 here. 39 divided by 5. So right here 39 divided by 5. Then 4 plus 22 by 5. Okay. So 4 plus 22 by 5. So 5 is LCM here. 5 4s are 20. Plus 22 here. 22 plus 20 is the 42 here. 42 by 5. So right here 42 divided by 5. Okay. Then 0 minus 6 is a minus of 6 here. It's a minus of 6. Okay. Then take this 3 right hand side here. Y is equal to 1 upon 3 into the matrix. So 6 divided by 5. 39 divided by 5. 42 divided by 5. And minus of 6 here. Therefore, y is equal to, here multiply each element by this 1 upon 3. Therefore, 1 upon 3 into, so look here, 1 upon 3 into 6 by 5 is that. 6 divided by 5, 3 1s are, 3 2s are cancels here, so it is 2 divided by 5. So, right here, 2 divided by 5. Then 1 upon 3 into 39 by 5. 1 upon 3 into 39 divided by 5. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. That is 13 divided by 5. So it is 13 divided by 5. Then here this into 42 by 5. 1 upon 3 into 42 divided by 5. So 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 here, 12 remaining here. 3 4s are 12 here. So it is 14 divided by 5. So 14 divided by 5. Then 1 upon 3 into minus 6 here. 1 upon 3 into minus 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are cancelled there. It is a minus of 2 here. So minus 2. Okay. So x is equal to, this is the required matrix, and y is equal to, this is the required matrix here. Okay. Here find x. If y is equal to the matrix 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2x. Okay, find here the matrix x here. Okay, so take your solution. Therefore y is equal to this one here. Take the first second equation 2x plus y. So plus y here, capital Y is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 here. This is a given equation here. Take y right hand side here. Here's 2x that is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 minus of y. Therefore this is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 here minus of matrix y is this here. Okay, so use here. So 3 2 1 4 here. Okay, it is a matrix y. Subtracting each other. Yes, so this is equal to 1 minus 3 gives a minus of 2 here. 0 minus 2. So it is a minus 2 here. Minus 3 minus 1 is a minus of 4 here. 2 minus 4 it is a minus of 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to, okay, so 2x is equal to this matrix here. Take 2 right hand side here. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 into the matrix minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2f. Therefore x is equal to, here take this 1 upon 2 inside here, means multiply this each element by 1 by 2 here, minus 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 cancels here, remaining is a minus 1. Again 2 cancels, remaining is a minus 1, 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2 here, then again it is a minus of 1 here. So this is the required solution.